Good morning, fam. It's time to wake up your entire body with just 5 minutes of intentional movement. This dynamic full body routine is perfect for shaking off stiffness, build energy, and create focus for the day ahead. You'll start grounded, gradually build into flowing stretches, and finish standing strong and ready to conquer the day. No equipment is needed, just you, a mat, and your commitment to move. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with bird dog to fire up your core. Stabilize your spine and activate your entire body. Begin on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back, creating a straight line from fingertips to toes. Inhale to hold. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. The stretch will activate your core, strengthen your lower back, and improve your balance and coordination. If you're a beginner, focus on holding the extended position for stability without bringing elbow and knee together. If you're advancing in the stretch and need more of a challenge, add a small pause in the extended position to engage your muscles further. Switch sides now. Extend your left arm forward and right leg back. Let's keep building that balance and core strength. Breathe deeply as we prepare to move into a flowing stretch for the spine. Let's open up the spine and connect with your breath using cat-cow, a gentle movement to energize and relax simultaneously. Start on all fours. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the ceiling. This is cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button toward your spine. This is cat. Move slowly, syncing your breath with each transition. This stretch increases spinal flexibility, releases tension in the back, and promotes better posture. Keep your movements small and focus on the breath if you're a beginner. If you need more of a challenge, add a slight side-to-side movement to explore deeper stretches along your spine. Finish one last wave through your spine and shift back into child's pose as we prepare to add dynamic flow to open the back and hips. This next stretch is like a dance for your back and hips, a dynamic flow that grounds you and energizes you at the same time. Start in child's pose, knees wide, big toes touching, and arms extended forward. Let your hips sink back toward your heels. On an inhale, flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press through your palms and lift your chest. Exhale as you glide back into child's pose. This dynamic stretch is going to stretch the back, open your chest, and loosen up tight hips and shoulders. If you're a beginner, try keeping your elbows bent in cobra if your lower back feels tight. If you need more of a challenge, hold each position for a few seconds to deepen the stretch. Let's take one more glide forward into cobra stretch, then flow back to prepare for a grounded twist that will energize your spine and hips. Time to open up your hips and awaken the spine with low lunge twist, an energizing move to release tension. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee on the mat. Plant your left hand on the ground and twist your torso, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to deepen the twist. I promise you the stretch is going to improve spinal mobility, open up the chest, and stretch the hip flexors. If you're a beginner, rest your hand on your front knee for added support. And if you need more of a challenge, lift your back knee off the mat for a deeper stretch. Switch sides now. Step your left foot forward, plant your right hand, and twist to the left. Feel the tension melt away as you twist, preparing for a final standing stretch. Let's finish strong with a standing forward fold, a calming yet powerful way to stretch the legs, spine, and back. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, hinge at your hips, and let your upper body hang toward the ground. Relax your head and neck, letting gravity create a gentle pull through your hamstrings and spine. Inhale to lift halfway, lengthening your spine, then exhale to fold deeper. I promise you, fam, The stretch is going to release tension in the hamstrings, lower back, and shoulders, while calming your mind. If you're a beginner, slightly bend your knees if your hamstrings feel tight. And if you need more of a challenge, hold opposite elbows and sway gently side to side for a deeper stretch. Slowly roll up, letting your head come up last. Feel the energy flowing through your body as you stand tall and ready for the day. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your entire body, improved flexibility, and built strength. When that notification bell hits, just show up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And my gift to help you kickstart your fitness journey is linked in the description. Check it out. Stay strong, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.